guys, tonight is a special night. We are going to a festival called Fortal here in Fortaleza. Check out these shirts. These shirts are special. Why are they special? Because these are our tickets.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Don't burn yourself. Fortal. Okay?
The champions run.
What are you doing? What is that dance? We are doing Fortal a little bit differently. We are getting the full access, free food, all you can drink, like, apparently, according to him, I don't know. We haven't been there, we haven't gone there yet.
Hey, bathrooms, that's also very important. Clean bathrooms.
Yeah. Pop. We are headed to Fortal, we're in Uber, heading there. I have no idea what to expect, but I'm excited. Drink a lot?
Oh yeah.
I'm already,
Oh yeah.
Already halfway there?
Yeah.